I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make 1 glass of lemonade. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 fresh lemon, some granulated sugar, and cold water. You'll also need a few basic tools like a glass, a spoon for stirring, and a reliable lemon squeezer. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you can quickly enjoy your refreshing drink. Now let's get that delicious lemon juice. Before cutting, roll your lemon firmly on a clean counter for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps release more juice. Next, carefully cut the lemon in half. Using your lemon squeezer, extract the juice from 1/2 directly into your glass, making sure to catch any seeds. This fresh juice forms the tangy base of your lemonade. With your fresh lemon juice in the glass, it's time to add the sweetness. Carefully measure and add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar directly into the lemon juice. Then, pour in approximately 6 ounces of cold water. Now, take your spoon and stir the mixture vigorously. This ensures the sugar completely dissolves, creating a perfectly balanced sweet and tart flavor profile for your lemonade. Your homemade lemonade is almost ready. For a truly refreshing experience, add a few ice cubes to your glass. If you're feeling fancy, a thin lemon slice on the rim or a fresh mint sprig can add a lovely touch. Take a moment to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can change your financial perspective, along with other great deals. Now, sit back, relax, and savor your perfectly crafted glass of lemonade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.